to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go? So why don't we go? This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know?
I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Painted faces fill the places I can't reach. You know that I could use somebody. You know that I could use somebody.
Someone like you know and how you speak. Countless lovers under cover of the street. And you know that I could use somebody. You know that I could use somebody, yeah.
Someone like you. Someone like you. Off in the night while you live it up, I'm off to sleep and waging wars to shape a poet in the beat.
I hope it's gonna make you notice, yeah. Oh, I hope it's gonna make you notice, yeah, yeah.
Someone like me. Someone like me. Someone like me. Somebody. I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Painted faces fill the places I can't reach.
You know that I could use somebody.
You know that I could use somebody.
You've got the words to change a nation, but you're biting your tongue. You spend a lifetime stuck in silence, afraid you'll say something wrong. If no one ever hears it, how they gonna learn your song? Come on, come on. You've got a heart as loud as lions, so I let your voice be tamed. Maybe we're a little different, there's no need to be ashamed. You've got the light to fight the shadows, so stop hiding it away. Come on, come on. I wanna sing, I wanna shout, I wanna scream till the words die out. Put it in all of the papers. I'm not afraid, they can read all about it. Read all about it. No. While we sing away the blues, making sure that we're remembered, yeah, 'cause we all matter too. If the truth has been forbidden, then we're breaking all the rules. Come on, come on. Let's get the TV and the radio to play our tune again. It's about time we had some airplay of our version of events. There's no need to be afraid, I will sing with you